Are you looking for the best battery-powered lawn mowers of 2022? In this video we will look at some of the best battery-powered lawn mowers of 2022 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Snapper XD82V MAX Cordless Self-Propelled Mower. The Snapper XD features a variable speed transmission and design features that allow for adjustments to meet different grass-cutting demands. The StepSense feature automatically adjusts the speed to match the user's walking pace. Load sensing technology in this model automatically adjusts power output based on the thickness of the grass to provide a clean cut while maximizing energy efficiency. The mower's impressive 21-inch steel cutting deck is versatile. It boasts 7 height adjustments that are easily changed from behind the mower with a single lever. The deck can mulch, side discharge, or bag with a capacity of up to 2.1 cubic feet of grass clippings. When the yard work is done, this mower folds up conveniently for vertical storage in the garage. The kit includes two 2.0 amp-hour batteries, which together provide about 60 minutes of runtime and recharge in about 60 minutes. In our tests, the Snapper XD traversed all types of terrain and left behind a smooth, even cut on a single pass. It easily powered through overgrown grass and weeds up to 10 inches tall, although extended use in tall weeds increased the needed power output and reduced runtime by about half. We were more impressed by the blade motor's load responsiveness than by the automated pace adjustment system. The StepSense feature worked well on relatively flat ground, but on inclines it felt somewhat sticky or uneven. In overall performance for the price, this mower offers excellent power and runtime to mow about 1/3 of an acre, or 15,000 square feet, per charge. At number 2. Greenworks Pro ATV Cordless Lawn Mower. Greenworks is known for its advancements in battery technology, and this model has two 2.0 batteries that allow for up to 70 minutes of runtime from a full charge, with a combined recharge time of just 60 minutes. This push mower features a 21-inch wide mowing deck. Technology that adjusts the motor speed based on load helps to maximize battery life and maintain excellent cut quality. Adding to this impressive mowing coverage is a steel deck with 7 positions that are easy to adjust with a large handle near the right rear wheel. Its sturdy steel deck gives it the tough feel of gas-powered models. A large start button and easy-to-maneuver speed control mean it can be manipulated with gloved hands. This push mower does not have motorized wheels, which keeps the price low and maximizes battery life for cutting grass. The 3-in-1 grass clipping capability allows for bagging, mulching, or side discharging, and a foldable handle design facilitates compact storage. Although this Greenworks push mower required a bit more effort to move around the yard than the self-propelled mowers, its simplified design made it an extremely capable mower. The powerful motor offered the most gas-like performance of the group. It had no trouble cutting dense, weedy grass up to 10 inches tall and left possibly the best finish of all the mowers we tested. In all 3 modes, bagging, mulching, and side discharging, it left the grass perfectly smooth, with no uneven spots or stringy weeds left behind. It had plenty of power to mulch thick grass into virtually invisible clippings. The only downside of this mower was that hilly ground reduced the amount of area mowed per charge, not because of demand on the mower, but because the operator's pace slowed. Everything else considered, we felt that this push mower delivered the strongest mowing capability, even though we had to push it. And the price was significantly less than the others. At number 3. Toro Flex Force 60V Super Recycler Mower. The Toro Flex Force Super Recycler Lawn Mower is built for powerful mowing performance with superior operator comfort. The 3-phase motor automatically increases power output when it detects tougher mowing conditions, then eases off to conserve battery life when the mowing gets easier again. The 21-inch military-grade cast aluminum deck features a powerful vortex air intake system that stands the grass blades up straight for a smoother, cleaner cut. The shock-absorbing personal pace self-adjusting, self-propelled system operates smoothly regardless of the terrain. Bright LED headlights make it easier to mow later into the evening. It comes with a powerful 60V 7.5 battery that delivers up to 50 minutes of runtime per charge and recharges in 3 hours. The Toro Super Recycler was the most comfortable battery-powered mower we tested, primarily because of its robust self-propulsion system. Although it was not the only mower with a pressure-sensitive handle, this one functioned the best. It paired the slightly more resistant, but buttery-smooth, handle movement with a higher top-end speed for self-movement that felt almost effortless on most terrain. Only slight pressure was required to climb the uphill areas, and it didn't try to run away on the downhills. Toro's excellent cut quality was second only to the Greenworks ATV, mainly because the Greenworks mower performed exceptionally well in overgrown areas and Toro needed a second pass for best results there. However, we were underwhelmed by its battery performance at only 45 to 50 minutes of runtime in average conditions and 3 hours to recharge. Still, anyone with less than a half-acre who is shopping for smooth operation and a top-quality cut may want to consider the Super Recycler. At number 4. Ego Power and Z642 Zero-Turn Riding Mower. Those with larger acreage can now have a battery-powered mower that can actually cut all of their grass on a single charge. The Ego Power and Riding Mower is capable of mowing up to 2 acres per charge, with easy upgrades that can increase runtime to cut more than 3 acres per charge. Plus, it offers many of the same features found on gas-powered zero-turn mowers, such as adjustable lap bars to independently control the rear drive wheels, heavy-duty front swivel casters, a comfortable high back seat with adjustable suspension, a 42-inch deck with 10 height settings from 1.5 to 4.5 inches, and side discharging, mulching, and bagging capabilities. The electric motor delivers power equivalent to a 22 horsepower, HP, gasoline engine. The Z6 also boasts high-power LED headlights, a battery level indicator, and independently adjustable modes and blade speeds. This mower comes with 456V10R lithium batteries, with 6 available battery slots on board, and is compatible with any of Ego Power's other 56V batteries. It also comes with the fastest battery charger in the industry. With so many features to test, we spent more time with the Z6 than with any of the other battery-powered mowers in this roundup. For our first run, we charged the 456V10R batteries that came with the mower and cut as much grass as possible until the batteries ran out. Then we repeated the process with only 2 batteries, and again with a full tank of 6 batteries. The mower requires a minimum of 15 hours to operate, and the charger plugs into the mower to recharge all 6 batteries at once. Runtime and charge time were as follows: 2 batteries charged in 1.25 hours and mowed 3/4 acre, for batteries charged in 2 hours and mowed 1.75 acres, and 6 batteries charged in 3 hours and mowed almost 3 acres. We mowed the entire available area with about 12% charge left in the batteries. We should also mention that the acreage we were mowing included a 1-acre rectangular field and 2 1-acre home lots that, in addition to the homes, are approximately 50% and 75% lawn. The total grass acreage is more like 2.25, with some significant slopes and obstacles to navigate. Since Ego offers an even bigger battery size at 56V and 12R, we estimate that runtime could possibly be stretched to mow up to 4 acres, depending on the condition of the grass and the lay of the land. The Ego Power and Z6's operation was mostly excellent. Startup was easy, and maneuvering was intuitive. The apparent noise level was extremely quiet and limited to operating the mower deck. The machine travels almost silently when the blades are not running. The lap bars and drive wheels felt somewhat imprecise compared to other zero-turn mowers we've used. The machine pulled slightly to the left at full speed on flat ground under an average mowing load. The suspension seat was comfortable, but the relatively small rear tires and light weight of the machine made for a bouncy ride at times. It climbed and maneuvered fairly well on slopes, which is not a strength for most zero-turn mowers. For most mowing, we kept the machine in standard mode and the blades on half power with excellent results. We tested the top blade speed on an area of about 2,000 square feet of overgrown crabgrass that was about 12 inches high, and we had to slow the travel pace significantly to get an acceptable cut in that situation. The Ego Power and battery-powered zero-turn mower would make a great choice for any large acreage owner with lots of grass to maintain. At number 5. Greenworks 40V Smart Pace Lawn Mower. With its 21-inch mowing swath and up to 70 minutes of runtime per charge, this efficient brushless lawn mower from Greenworks tackles larger yards, from 1/3 to a half acre. 240V batteries power it, and it includes a single-port battery charger that recharges each battery in 70 minutes, or a total of 120 minutes for both. The Smart Pace self-propelled feature operates with a pressure-sensitive handle that automatically adjusts the speed of the wheels to the user's walking pace. The single-lever height adjustment feature quickly sets the mowing deck to cut at any of 7 positions from 1 3/8 to 3 3/4 inches. The kit includes a side discharge chute, bagger, and mulch plug to handle clippings in whichever way works best. In our tests, we were somewhat surprised that this mower performed similarly to others with significantly more battery power. It did have a greater tendency than the others to bog down in dense grass areas while in mulching mode, but otherwise it delivered excellent results. With the discharge chute in place, we had no trouble mowing overgrown weedy areas, but those areas diminished runtime by about half. Overall, the cut quality was quite good. Only the most difficult grass patches required a second pass to get acceptable results. The Greenworks 40V system runs off one battery at a time, and it automatically switches to the second battery when the first battery is depleted. This allowed us to pull the depleted battery and start charging it while mowing on the second battery, reducing downtime to about 20 minutes after depleting the second battery. On a single battery, we averaged from 20 to 30 minutes of runtime depending on mowing conditions, terrain, and pace. The self-propel system worked fairly well, but as is the case with most of these pressure-sensitive handle systems, it was not perfect. The sliding handle mechanism felt a little sticky, so the mower did not accelerate as smoothly as we would have liked, especially going uphill. On downhills and flats, it occasionally felt as if the mower were running away instead of decelerating with the operator. Still, it was much easier to adjust to these minor sensations than to push the mower for an hour at a time. For its extended runtime and the battery management abilities, this would be a good choice for those with larger lawns. At number 6. Worx Nitro ATV Power Share Self-Propelled Mower. The Worx Nitro ATV Power Share system packs a serious lawn mowing punch. This mower uses for 20V batteries to deliver ATV of power for up to 60 minutes of mowing time per charge. It is a moderately priced, highly capable, self-propelled 21-inch mower that offers numerous features to compete with others we've tested. For ease of operation, it incorporates a single-lever deck height adjustment, a one-touch fully collapsible handle, charge level indicator, and choice of side discharging, bagging, or mulching. The built-in mulch forward/discharge lever eliminates dealing with a mulch plug. The quiet, load-sensing multistage motor automatically increases output for difficult conditions. Plus, LED headlights extend mowing time past sundown. A standout feature on the Nitro mower is the Base Camp Power Pack. It combines the power of the 4 included 20V or Worx Power Share Pro batteries to produce 80V of power output. The power pack doubles as a 4-way charger, recharging the depleted batteries in just 2 hours. It can be used for both onboard and offboard charging, and it is also compatible with the Worx Nitro ATV leaf blower. In our tests, the Worx mower performed better than the average of the group in terms of smart power output and finish quality. It did a great job conserving power while providing an excellent cut on previously maintained lawn areas, then increased output almost immediately to power through overgrown weedy lawn areas. The finish quality was good to excellent in both the previously maintained area and in the overgrown area, with no need for a second pass. Battery runtime decreased by as much as 50% under a heavy mowing load, but the difference between sloped areas and flat ground was less pronounced. We awarded this one best for small lawns considering the amount of power that would be needed in reserve to blow off the driveway using the Basecamp compatible ATV leaf blower. Those with between 1/4 and 1/3 of an acre of grass could probably do that without first recharging the batteries.